Daughter moving out from her dorm. Yan. My daughter moving out. Yan po. It's winter break. Yan po. Before moving to Denmark. She gonna study abroad. Next month po. Is going to Denmark. Yan po. Ay. Yan po yung dorm niya. Ay. La. Ito po, University of Maryland College Park. Yan po. It's a nice weather, not too cold compared the other day. That is really cold and windy. Na po. Yan po. Yung iba pong gamit niya ay put in the van already. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit notification bell. And please subscribe po. Please subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye for now. Aroy. La. Ito po, peace and quiet po. Pero pag may school, traffic dito. Traffic. Traffic. I'm waiting for my daughter. She want to take a picture. Her dorm. Uy, tagal naman. Uy, ang tagal. Yan na po. Bye na po. Bye.